Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to enable automatically create tab islands in Opera browser. So how to enable automatically create tab islands in Opera browser? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Opera browser on your computer or laptop. This is the Opera browser display. Then move the cursor to the top right of the screen. Here are lots of menu options. Then tap the three-line icon here. And a scrolling menu will appear like this, and scroll down. And tap the setting menu here. Now here it is in the settings menu. Enter the browser menu. Now here it is in the browser menu. Then tap automatically create tab islands. This feature allows Opera to automatically group similar tabs into tab islands, so that the display is neater and easier to navigate. So that's it, the tutorial how to enable automatically create tab islands in Opera browser. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.